highway maintenance workers. If you're like most people right now, you're experiencing some major changes in your life. What will life be like when the pandemic is over? What will your job look like for the future? How can you be best prepared? Are you a highway maintenance worker for a state DOT or a public works agency? Have you ever wanted to get a college degree? Do you attend training courses at your work on traffic control, safety, asset management, or any other highway maintenance topic? If you answered yes to any of these, then Front Range Community College has an associate's degree just for you. It's designed for highway maintenance workers who want to qualify for future promotions, satisfy a lifelong goal of earning a college degree, and best of all, gives you a way to earn college credit for your workplace training. It's all online and available anywhere. Start now and be ready when promotional opportunities become available. If you get registered today, you'll have 6 weeks to get ready and learn the system, get familiar with online learning and all the support Front Range Community College provides online learners. You'll hear more from me in the coming weeks, the next 6 weeks, about updates and new crosswalks to college credit. I look forward to speaking with you. Give me a call anytime and we can talk about your bright future. Thanks.